Okurugirira abaturo muri Kikagate ekitongole kya Sun and Sons Mines and Minerals Limited kikabashaba kutimba tino mu mataka gabo ngo bwanyuma kibashashure ngo kubombekere nguto bitkumara emyaka 3 yona tine kibararebere hona ntigangwa ngo bwanyuma yo kutimba emyaka 3 abatura ko bari kubanja ebyabaganisibwe babajangwa yondo batimba samples
ate nitaka iriba sample ngiro mu mataka gabantu babene bazomwitaka n'umuntu basample bahamwitaka bari pakinga bahandika so bakajya kubariza kuri batwara samples byagire kibiha nibije kwijya bakujyanga bazatimba wasoaniso ikibasha kumwitaka rya
orukubakura abiratine kipapura cyona ekiri kumwikiriza kukorramu omwanya ogu kandi akanya kona agumera hasimu natera rukushaba obuhwezi omubaru kumukeraho
bajya tubahereza amataka batashure sente twigura accounts ukajigura umu African Bank kuba ijire nabashaba sente na bintu nyina miliyoni 15 bajya na mitwali 18.
We need to sit with them, we need to know them, kuturesta bamanyire, they cannot continue working with us. We need to first know them. That is our standard now.
Abakora babona bashanjire byo mebi bukabyarwa hagati y'ekishara
tubashikire kuzo mu kishara tukubinga umuntu wa kabeji tukabinga umuntu w'ubutunguru tukabinga umuntu w'enyanya then tukareka ko guwa machine kandi ari kushishana na environment mwe nugo uko twajyangwa rere kandi aba bakutimba tini nabo barere garuka kutimba tubakushashora mu Shoro district.
With the Sharara they have to be arrested. That is Mzai's order, not me as another DC. Okay? Then issues concerning the community and mining, that one we shall resolve it as a district.
Exactly.
You cannot enter into a district minus sharing with the stakeholders. You are a councillor on the ground, but the chairman needs information.
Hata bashazire mbaragire bitongore ebi kukingwa mbaga baresero hama buri kubiciza kutimba tini. Gashoka Ruth ni wamanyi.